Brutal, isn't it? Well, this car had a young man named Terry. Terry was a son and a brother to a family. His life could have been saved, but instead, Terry wanted to be cool. Terry wanted to be chill. Well, cool and chill is not in that picture. In the past decade, 50% of fatal crashes has increased. That's 50% more families in pain, people getting hurt, and deaths. Young drivers in the ages of 15 to 24 are 4 times more likely to get into a car accident. Also, 45% of drivers and 52% of passengers are extremely hurt in fatal crashes because they decided not to wear a seatbelt. 13% of the driving population are young drivers. However, 25% of fatal crashes are due to young drivers. Now I can stand here and throw stats your way, and I can make your parents, your guidance counselors, and your teachers teach you and make you watch this video over and over again. But at the end of the day, the ultimate decision is yours. Terry was just like any other young boy. He had a normal life, he had parents that loved him, and siblings that cared about him. Because of that decision that he wanted to be cool, he wanted to be chill, it ended his life. Cool and chill is not the way to go. The decision is simple. If you decide to buckle up when you're behind the wheel, that will be the line for life and death. In case all these stats, pictures, and Terry's story hasn't gotten the message across, here are some of the factors why you should be wearing a seatbelt. First of all, it is the law. It is simply the law to buckle up when you are in a moving vehicle. Also, did you know that when you are going about 50 kilometers an hour on the road and you hit into an accident, that is the force of an elephant? And trust me, the after scarring is not cool. Buckling up isn't meant to be cool, isn't meant to be fun. It is simply to save your life and keep you seated instead of being thrown out. So again, I repeat it to you and I say it to you. The ultimate decision is yours. It is yours to save your life and save the others.
Seatbelts can be the line between life and death. Buckle up. It's a no-brainer.